Alright guys, well, welcome back to TrevDev Adventures. This beautiful Lake Dan Nature Preserve. And the trail we're going to take is going to be going up through that white one and then over to that lake. And enjoy it and enjoy this little hike at this little park. Duke, you ready? And it's up in Trinity area, which is north of Tampa. So come along, won't you? American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Yep, really dry. Come on, bud. Good boy. Good boy. I want a Duke check though. We want to check to see what trail we're going to do. Alright, so we're going to go up here to the left, and it's going to take us to Lake Dan and send it to the right, which it takes you. So that's pretty nice, and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, so it's red and yellow. Yellow to the right, red to the left. So let's hit the red. So it takes us to Lake Dan. Guys, coming up soon, TrevDev Adventures going around the United States of America. Another, is it left, right, or straight? I would think straight. Oh shoot, we gotta go back. Guys, we're off route. We're supposed to go right, then keep going, then go left. So we'll go yellow. This is where we came from. We went left, and that wasn't the way, so we had to go right. So we'll go yellow. So it'll be the next left. It's a beautiful day to go hiking. Alright, so maybe this is the left. Let's double check this quick. Oh, gotta keep going right. There's a park. Can you never see him? Oh, there he is. See how Duke stays in the shade? Then he waits till I get to another piece of shade. Watch. These are the scary ant piles. You stay away from it. Alright, come on. Got spoiled last year. Hey guys, I wanted you to know too, it's like last year at the same time I'll be leaving. I left May 22nd of last year, 23, and around. Go look back at my videos. One, I have every single day video of me traveling, and also I put together a recap that you can look back in 2023 if you want to explore those areas that I went to. So we gotta go left. Get up and over. This guy's cruising. Stay. What's up, Mr. Turtle Man? Heading home. Where's his home? Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go. What? Keeping the head off so I don't get a hat tan. God, where is this lake? Might be over to the left there. I might be on the top. Alright. It's down that way and to the left. It's probably dry. This is a preserve too. Just... Come on, Dick. Shortcut. Definitely wide open. So that must be somebody's property over there. I'd guess looks like a tree stand over there. We're gonna skip a shortcut. Oh yeah, here's the trail. Could be a hiking trail, or it could be a out game trail. I don't see any shade, Duke. We need to find some so we can chill for a minute. Woo. Alright, so there's Lake Dan. Woo! Guys, if you ever come to Lake Dan here in Trinity, I'll put all the information about this area and this park or reserve down below, so check it out. I'll put a link, usually put a little information, but there's no shade, so be prepared for that. Alright, dude. Yeah, there's some shade over here we can check out. Nice. No shade though. Lake Dan. Funny to say, because my dad's name's Dan. My best friend is Danny, or Dan. Woo! God. You hear the littlest things that scares the crap out of you. You ever have that feeling? Oh yeah, this is nice. We'll chill up here and hang out. It's got a nice little breeze, will cool them down. How dry it is. White bird way over there. Some water. Alright guys, now we're going to head back. It's about 40 minutes to about a mile, a little over a mile to get back. So we're going to head back and then go on to our next adventure. So stay excited and fired up. I'm gonna have to wash all this stuff. My book bag. I'm gonna wash my book bag. It's getting sweaty. It's getting sweaty here in May in Florida. Alright guys, let's head back. Alright guys, we're going to show you a little bit on the way back, but not too much because everything looks basically the same. But meanwhile, let's head back to the van. American Freedom Tour 2024. Fire it up. Come on, dude. Letting your little shade break, even though I cooled down with some water. And it keeps going, so it's pretty good. This is nice and breezy right here. Take a little break right here. So we got sun pretty much another half a mile. Chill out for a minute. You ready to go? Head back to the van? Alright. We got a lot of sun to get over there, so. Come on, bud. You can make it. You're good. You've done worse than this. I know there's a lot of sun, but you got it. Come on. Come on, bub. Do a good little shady spot right here, bud. How you doing? Keep going? Alright, let's go. You can wait as long as you want. Just follow me whenever you feel good. Yeah, I mean, this is the time of year in Florida, guys, where it starts getting warm every single day. It gets hotter and hotter, so you gotta be careful to make sure you have enough water for yourself and your dog when you're out in these spots. We got enough water for him to drink, not water for him to cool down in. Come here. No, stay. Hey, stay. Your pumps. Jeez. I feel you, bud. Duke, you ready? We got another mile, man. We got to get way over there and then into the woods for a mile. So we got less than a mile. Go boy, go boy. So this is the actual trail right here. It's blue. Hop on it real quick. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna chill in here for a minute. Come on, bub. Duke's loving the shade right now. Mr. Tortoise, hello. Duke, be nice. Come on, be nice. Be nice. You're a cruiser, bro. Are these the same one I just saw? Probably. Good boy. All right, come on. Have a good day there, Mr. Turtle. All right, so that's the way we goofed up, went that way, but this way is the way back. Oh, feel that breeze. You feel it, Dukkie?
And you don't do something on the highway.
Hello, how are you?
What a cute puppy.
Yeah, he's a good boy. It's getting a little warm. Yeah. That's about it. It's that time of year. Yeah. Have a great one. Thank you. All right, we're almost there, bud. This is the beginning. Man, it would be kind of cool if this was all complete water. Especially in the summertime. Come on, go to the van. I'll get the AC going for you, buddy. I need to get one of those big old nice cameras to show you guys great shots instead of using this GoPro, which I like the GoPro, but come on, bub. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Some water too, huh? Alright guys, thanks. Turn this down. It's hot. Thanks for watching this episode of a hot, unbearing hike towards Lake Dan here in Trinity, Florida. You never know what you're getting yourself into, so that's why I keep showing these areas, to give you guys what the reality is, what it's really like to camp or travel in a van or hike in so many different areas. I mean, some places that we've gone to in the past, never know we would have seen the things we saw. But this one wasn't the greatest one. It was the hottest one, and it was kind of a long one. But anyways, come along. Remember, every night at 7 p.m., TrevDev and Dukkie will be premiering a video. And we're counting down about a week away from heading across country. America Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Dukkie, fired up? Looks like turn the AC on, Dad. Right, so we did 2.8 miles, 69 feet on elevation gain, hour and 26 minutes. So, at Lake Dan Nature Preserve here in Trinity, Florida. Peace. It's a cool area, a bunch of ranches. Lake Dan Nature Preserve, acquired in 2008, owned by Hillsborough County. Founded by Hillsborough County through the Jan K. Platt Environmental Lands Protection. Awesome. A lot of nice little ranches around here. This is what I would like. A nice little farm home.